Maayong hapon sa inyong tanan. Salamat gid sa inyong pagtanaw sa UAP, sa ating mga kaibigan at kapamilya.
Dami natin dito.
Sa Bacolod, Iloilo, mga Ilonggo. Ayun naman, nakita natin mga kasama natin dito. Jeron Teng, Eleni Villa, who is from Bacolod, by the way. Vice ganda. As we look at some sequences early on, yun yung dalawang lihis na tira ni Alyssa Valdez. We are at 8-7. Abante po ang mga naka-asul as Kainglet sends it to the other side. Gumabaw sets it up. It is Chu. Oh! Single block. No coverage.
Well, you know, you can't blame Gretchen Ho for trying, although she was the only one who went up for the block. But sometimes it works to your disadvantage, especially kung hindi inaasahan ng teammates mo that there's going to be just a single blocker going up.
Kim Fajardo. Underhand set to Kainglet. Kainglet powers it through. Great dive by Galang. Two again. This time Ferrer was there. She was ready. Kainglet will try an angle. That's a great cut shot. Hinabol! What an
a
effort!
save from Go Hing!
What an effort! Kainglet tries again. LaSalle is back. Gumabaw. Unable to put it away. Go Hing is in pain though because she hit a chair. Look at her. She's trying to shake it off. What an effort.
I really don't know how she did it. But what an effort from Go Hing.
And I'm sure the crowd appreciates a play like that. And that is why they're here to watch here at the Araneta Coliseum. 17-4-0-8. Melissa Go Hing. Mga kabatchmate nila Jem Ferrer yan, ha?
Oh, what a serve.
Pero sinalo ng LaSalle.
That's outside. No touch.
No touch.
And Ateneo, this is where De La Salle is dangerous. Let's look at this attack first.
Ito yung kanina.
Yeah,
the
Phil
cut
will get
shot.
this. There's going to be a save. Look at Go Hing. Run all the way and
She
look
goes
at the final
into a
save.
chair.
Wow, amazing.
And she's been doing that for 5 years for LaSalle already.
What a serve. That's the second time he has done it with that kind of a...
Gervasio has been serving that way for 5 years too. Kuha na Ateneo.
The rally's on here.
They open to Kainglet. Sent back.
Let's see, the coverage is working right now. So that's really a very important thing for Ateneo to keep on doing.
Ayun! The quick on a scramble. What a smart play by Kim Fajardo, Ian.
Changing it up because all the offense has been outside sets. But suddenly, look at this running attack. Abby Morano quickly. So hindi niya na inantay yung block to set up and close out on her. What a first set, Boom. What a first set.
What a showdown so far. Worth every single centavo of that price of admission of the ticket. Combination play.
Oh, it was read very well by Fajardo.
Yep. Balik naman dito. Miss hit by Aragalang. And Alyssa Valdez will march back in as her team is up by 2. Ito, medyo lihis yung tama sa bola.
Malayo yung set sa net, far away from that. She was underneath the ball. Had to adjust in mid-air. And that's so hard to do. I think it was on its way out, though.
Chance for Ateneo. They open to Kainglet. Kainglet again with another cut shot.
And I can see Coach Roger applauding that move from his veteran Phil Kainglet.
From a skill standpoint, Ian, explain how tough that cut shot is.
That's so very hard, especially if you're a right-handed player. You're moving away from the ball and just cut that ball with enough spin.
Kaya hintayin natin magmadali yan. Kasi hindi tayo makapwesto kagad eh. Pumwesto muna tayo, hindi natin, kailangan siguraduhan yung atake natin. Hindi kailangan tiyambahan o madalian ang atake. Then ganoon din sa pag-block. Masyado nagmamadali sa pag-abot ng bola. Hindi pa nakapwesto yung spiker, nag-aabot na tayo. Pumwesto tayo, okay? Dito tayo. Dahan tayo sa spike. Tao-tao lang tayo.
15 years, 7 titles. Coach Ramil going for the 8th. As we see Melo Tunay and some of the Jesse De Leon and some of the USD players. Nico Salva, Carla Aguas, all part of the audience here at the Araneta. Gretchen Ho serving 12, serving 9.
Kumpleto tayo dito ngayon.
Ito, ang ganda yung mga dating, yung mga athletes of other sports, Ian,
they're
supporting.
here.
Balik tayo dito sa laro, Gumabaw. Gretchen taking it. Ferrer looking for Phil. Goes for the
Oh!
same shot. Goes for the same shot, but this time came up short.
That's right. The difference with that play was the set was far from the net. The harder it is to make that gut shot.
Yes.
To put that side spin on the ball, very, very hard.
But she was going for that same
spot,
opening.
yeah. There's a huge hole there in that zone of the defense of De La Salle.
You know, that is hundreds of viewing tape, hundreds of times of viewing tape with the coaching staff. Oh, this time, Mika Reyes read that power tip and he sends it right back.
Straight down. It was just, he passes straight to the waiting arms of Reyes. Ay,
Look at that.
grabe, elbows over the net.
Payong na payong, oh. Javi Maraño. You know, we almost lost this player to lawn tennis. Javi
Javi?
Maraño. Yeah, I'll tell you the story later. In the meantime, eto muna. Gumabaw. Lazaro. Ferrer.
Oh, nice
Kainglet.
set.
Great change-up by Phil Kainglet.
The good thing I like about that play is that Valdez will always be a marked lady whenever she goes up. And she was able to at least
Draw.
at least hesitate, no? Yung blockers. That gave the opening to Phil. And Phil and whoever is going to be in that Ateneo offense should always be ready for those little openings that the De La Salle block would give
A
them.
rare chance ball here. De Jesus. Gohing keeps it high.
Gohing just so far amazing in this match.
Same effort there by Kainglet and a free ball,
Free ball.
for the defending champions. Fajardo opens up.
Dalawa.
Kainglet was there. And Vasco sends it over.
What a save! What a save from
Play
Z.
on. Oh, and that's out. Play on. Z Hervasio sends it back with one hand.
Wow, the crowd here.
Let's look at that. Kainglet keeps it up. Hervasio, one hand, sends it to the other side.
Grabe save. Even the save of Phil.
Yes.
He didn't catch it if it was her foot. Yeah, that was over.
The rule there, Ian, explain to our new viewers.
Fajardo, who was the setter, nagka-interference si Reyes because look at this. Nasa court na nung kabila. You can't, or there was even a touch, I think, on the net as well. So, hindi mo pwedeng mag-interfere na nandun na sa court ng kabila. Sa airspace ng kabila yung bola.
Hervasio with coverage. De Jesus. Coverage by Galang.
Oh, poor play here for De La Salle.
Chance
Valdez
for Ateneo.
waiting.
Valdez running
She was
attack.
asking for it. She was asking for it.
And Ateneo goes to the technical timeout ahead 16-11. Here at the Big Dome, we'll be back with game number 1 of the finals.